What's the meaning of arteriole? Arteriole. Arteriole.
Arteriole. Arteriole. An arteriole is a small blood vessel that is responsible for distributing oxygenated blood from arteries to capillaries. These vessels have a thickness that is intermediary between that of the larger arteries and that of the smallest capillaries. Arterioles play a key role in regulating blood pressure and blood flow to different organs and tissues in the body. They achieve this through contraction and relaxation of their smooth muscle layer, which controls the diameter of the vessel. This ability to regulate blood flow is essential for maintaining the homeostasis of the body and ensuring proper delivery of nutrients and oxygen to cells.